In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set the TradingView EMA Indicator, which stands for Exponential Moving Average. This simple yet powerful tool is crucial for anyone looking to get a clearer view of market trends. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, having the EMA on your chart can be essential for making informed trading decisions. We'll walk through each step to get this indicator set up on your TradingView chart, so let's dive right in. First, we'll begin by visiting your live chart on the TradingView platform. This is where you'll do all your analysis, so having this open is essential. TradingView is a great tool for traders because of its user-friendly interface and a wide range of tools for technical analysis. Once you're on your chart, you'll see how easy it is to add various indicators. Next, look for the Indicators button at the top of the interface. Clicking on this will open up a large selection of options. TradingView offers many different types of indicators, reflecting its popularity and the extensive customization it allows. Once you click on it, you'll see a search bar at the top of the newly opened window. In this search bar, we want to type in exponential. When you start typing exponential, you'll notice a list of suggestions appearing beneath the search bar. These are various indicators related to the term you've entered. Among these, we want to focus on the moving average exponential. Highlight it and move on to the next step. Now, simply click on moving average exponential from the list. Once you do that, it will automatically be added to your chart. You'll see it overlaid on your existing data, giving you a smoother view of the moving prices. What the EMA does is provide a weighted average over a certain period, thereby giving recent data points more significance. This can be very helpful in identifying the direction and strength of a market trend. At this stage, your moving average exponential indicator should be up and running. You might notice an immediate difference in how the chart looks as the moving average smooths out those day-to-day price fluctuations, offering you a clearer perspective of the market's direction. It's prominently displayed across your main chart area, and you can always customize its settings depending on your trading strategy. You can adjust the time frame of the EMA and its color to better match your analysis preferences. By optimizing these settings, you can tailor the EMA to provide the most relevant insights specific to your trading style. And there you have it. You've successfully added the exponential moving average indicator to your TradingView chart. Make sure to always interpret your EMA signals with caution, as no indicator is foolproof. Happy trading!